tinha os vilos de descansar hoje. Saindo aqui do Ibis de Copiapó, partiu.
You ready? Let's go!
Okay, let's go.
Elliot Rogers, niggas crash out by these bitches. I ain't met a bitch, I put before my riches. Click, 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 you with the switch, we call them glitches. I used to believe